Okay, I can see Nandini showing me something and it's her offline classes homework. Very good, Nandini. Very good. So students, today all of you please turn off your cameras and turn on your microphones only. আজকে মাইক্রোফোন সবার অন থাকবে, ক্যামেরা সবার অফ থাকবে. Is it clear? Because today we are going to do interactive class. Okay? Because over here I can hear you today. So if microphone and camera both will be on, I won't be able to ask you questions. So each and every one, cameras will be off, microphone will be on. Okay, very nice. So today before PT2 we were doing our sound sense, and today we are going to complete our 3. This is the last class of our sound sense, and today I am going to teach you 15 words. Get ready with your copy because 5 words each with 3 different sounds. Okay, so today we are going to learn DR. Are you ready with your copies? Yes. Okay. So today I am going to ask questions to my students. Okay. So I can see Ankita has still not turned on her microphone. Jasim Ali Dafadar, please turn on your microphone. Nandini, please turn on your microphone. Only microphone. Okay. I will just... Okay, silence. Everyone silence. Your microphones are on, so please keep silence. Come on. So, the first word is DR word. Now, DR means the phonic or the sound of DR is dr. Dr. So, will you all pronounce with me? Dr. Come on, all of you. Dr. 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 Very good. Now, the first question to Afreen Sultana. Afreen Sultana, are you ready? Yes or no? Okay, very good. So, such a sweet voice. And let's start with Afreen Sultana. Afreen, you tell me, when mama gives you a glass of water, what do you do? When your mother gives you a glass of water, what do you do? Very good, exactly. So the word which you told is drink. D-R, drink. So what is the word, Afreen? Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Very good. Drink. Drink. Now let's go for the next one. And here comes the next one, that is Orijit. Afreen, you mute your microphone. Now you mute your microphone. Okay, lots of sound is coming. Students, I will just call your name, then after you turn on your microphone. Rest of the students, please turn off your microphones because rest of the work is going on and it is just disturbing all the students. So all of you turn off your microphone. I will call the name. At that time, you will turn on your microphone. Okay. So here comes Orijit. Orijit, are you ready? Orijit, are you ready? Okay. Welcome, Orijit. So your question is, when you go to a party you wear nice what? When you go to a party, you wear a nice what? Come on, Orijit, think about it. When you are going to the parties, what do you wear? Orijit, what do you wear, beta? আচ্ছা, যখন তুমি পার্টিতে যাও তখন তুমি কি পরো? সুন্দর সুন্দর কি পরো? Yes, and someone else also answered. And both of you, very good. Exactly. So, here comes dress. D-R-E-S-S. Okay, Tomojit, you cannot see the board because I am standing in front of the board. So, beta, let me teach once. Then after you will be getting enough time because this video will be uploaded on YouTube also. Okay. So, don't worry. First you listen what I am teaching. Okay. So, here comes the new word, that is dress. Very good. Orijit, and I think it was Orgho or someone else who answered the question. Very good. Now next question to Orgho Mondal. Orgho, beta ready? Okay, yes, it was Orgho. I just stressed the sound. Wise. Come on. Now Orgho, your question is, the person who drives the car is known as? I would request parents not to give the answer. I would request parents not to give the answer. Let my student think about it. These interactive classes are arranged for just for the students to make them think. Yes, beta, very good. And I would request all the parents, please don't help the student because let them think. This is not a competition, this is not exam, nothing. I want them to think something. So, yes, beta, it's driver. Yes, beta? Once more. Orgho, once more, beta. Yes, very good. So, it's driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. The person who drives the car is driver. Okay. Now, let us go to Ankita Dash. Are you ready? Ankita Dash. Okay. Ayushman Sinha, please turn on your microphone. Ayushman Sinha. Okay. So, okay, very good. Orijit and Orgho, please turn on off your microphone, beta. So, Ayushman Sinha, now your question is, this is a musical instrument. Okay, this is a musical instrument which has been taught to you from playgroup, and it starts from D. It starts with D. Very good, Ayushman. Very good. Exactly. It's drum. So here comes the new word, D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Exactly. So here you can see we are getting all the words with D-R. Right? With D-R. Now, if anyone tells me that, let me see who is the next one. Jasim Ali Dafadar. Jasim, will you turn on your microphone, beta? Very good. So here comes, okay, so sweet. So Jasim, your question is, if you want to make a hole in the wall, so do you know electrician uncle uses which machine? ম্যাম, আমি একটু রিকোয়েস্ট করবো আমার স্টুডেন্টকে একটু ভাবতে দিন, ওরা খুব জিনিয়াস, দে নো এভরিথিং, লেট দেম থিঙ্ক লিটল বিট। প্লিজ আই উড রিকোয়েস্ট ইউ ম্যাম, আপনি আনসার বলবেন না, বাচ্চাকে একটু ভাবতে দিন। তার কারণ হচ্ছে আমরা যদি ওদেরকে ভাবতে না দিই তাহলে ওদের ব্রেনের সেলসগুলো কাজ করবে না ম্যাম। এখন প্রবলেমটাই আমাদের এই হয়ে গেছে যে আমরা সমস্ত সময় ওদেরকে প্লেটে সার্ভ করে দিচ্ছি, দে ডাজন্ট নিড টু ডু এনি এক্সারসাইজ, সো লেট দেম ডু লিটল বিট, ওকে? থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। ওকে জাসিম, সো মামা হ্যাজ গিভেন দ্য আনসার, ইটস ড্রিল মেশিন। এরপর থেকে তুমি মামাকে বলবে আমি নিজে আনসার দেবো, ঠিক আছে জাসিম? ইয়েস অর নো? Okay, very good. So here comes the word drill. D-R-I-L-L. Drill. So which are the words with draw we have learned? Come on, all of you repeat after me. Drink, drink, dress, driver, drum, drill. Draw, 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 drink, draw, draw, dress. Draw, driver. Yes. Draw, drum. Draw, drill. Very good. So these were some of the draw sound word. এই ওয়ার্ডগুলো কি ছিল বেটা? Draw sound word. Draw. Come on. Okay, now let us, yes, now let us go for a new sound, and that is FR sound. Come on, all of you repeat after me. Fra, fra, fra. Come on, আমি কিন্তু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না কাউটটা। Fra, fra, fra. Very good. Now let us start some new words with fra, and the students will be, let us go with Nandini Ganguly. Nandini, are you ready beta? Okay, so our sweet Nandini is ready. So Nandini, your first question. Okay, I have given you one basket. Along with that basket, I have given you one mango, one banana, one apple, some grapes, and one pomegranate. So these many I have given you. Then when I am asking you, you are having a basket of what? You are having a basket of what? আমি অনেকগুলো ফল তোমাকে দিয়েছি। What Nandini? বলো বেটা। Yes, fruits. হ্যাঁ, আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি কেউ একটা বলছি। নন্দিনী বলছে এটা? Ah, so sweet. So it's fruits. It's fruits. Fra. Yes, fra. Fra. Fruits. Very good, Ritika. Fra. Fruits. So here comes the word fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Fra. Fra. When we are pronouncing fruits, we are using the sound fra. F-R. Fra. Right? Now the next question goes to Ritika Shamanto. Ritika Shamanto, will you turn on your microphone beta? Okay. So now Ritika, your question is, when you will come to school regularly, very soon we are going to start that one. So rest of the children in the class will be your what? Rest of the children in the class will be your what? Yes, Ritika? একটু জোরে বলো বেটা। Yes, very good. They are going to be your friends. 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 বন্ধু। বাকি সবাইরা তোমার কি হয়ে যাবে? Yes, it's friends. Very good. Now let us go with the next one. And Shattuki Mondol, please turn on your microphone. Shattuki, please turn on your microphone. Yes, Shattuki. Very good. So are you ready, Shattuki? Shattuki, I cannot listen you properly, beta. Are you ready? Okay. So Shattuki's new question is, when mother goes to the market to buy vegetables and fruits, she asks the vendor one question. এটা কিন্তু মায়েরা জিজ্ঞেস করেই করে, are these fruits dash? এই ভেজিটেবলটা ড্যাশ তো, এই ফ্রুটটা ড্যাশ তো, তাহলে কি জিজ্ঞেস করে? বলো বলো বলো, সাত্তকি একটু ভাবো তো, মা কি জিজ্ঞেস করে? ফ্রুট অ্যান্ড ভেজিটেবলটা কিরকম মা জিজ্ঞেস করে যখন? কিরকম জিজ্ঞেস করে? Yes, exactly. It's fresh. Are these vegetables fresh? Are these fruits fresh? কেননা মা তো তোমার জন্য সবসময় ফ্রেশটা বানায়, এই জন্যই মা তোমার জন্য ফ্রেশটা কিনেও আনে, রাইট? সো ইট ইজ ফ্রেশ, FRESH, fresh. Okay, again we are getting the sound fresh. Okay, now next let's go to Shomrik Roy Chaudhary. Please turn on your microphone. Very good, beta. Shomrik, are you ready? Are you ready, beta? Okay, I got the response from Shomrik. Now Shomrik, your question is, maybe you have gone to Big Bazaar with your papa, okay, and you saw that with 1 kg detergent pack the company is giving a toy car. So বাস এইবার তো শমরিকের আর কিচ্ছু করার নেই, বাবাকে বলতেই হবে যে ওটা কিনতে হবে। তাহলে তুমি ডিটারজেন্ট পাউডারের সঙ্গে কার্ডটা কি পেলে? কার্ডটা কি পেলে ডিটারজেন্ট পাউডারের সঙ্গে? কার্ডটা কি পেলে? কার্ডটার জন্য তো টাকা দিতে হয়নি, তাহলে কার্ডটা কি পেলে বেটা? I'm waiting for your answer, Shomrik. Very good. It's free. It's free. The toy car is free with detergent powder. So the product is known as free product. Free. Free. Right? Free. Okay, now let's go. Thank you, Shomrik. Very nice, beta. Now, and thank you, ma'am, to explain my students so nicely. Thank you very much. Now, let's go to Shugato. Yes, Shugato. Are you ready, beta? Okay. Now, Shugato, your question is, during the monsoon season, your mother makes pakoras, right? তুমি খেয়েছো পাকোড়া? মা বর্ষার সময় বানায় তো? Yes. Now can you tell me, mama, just how she makes the pakoda? What does she do with those besan balls? মা পকোড়া যখন বানায় তখন তুমি দেখেছো কখনো মাকে বানাতে? মাকে বানাতে দেখেছো? দেখতে হবে তো। ইয়েস, তাহলে মা কি করে পকোড়াগুলোকে নিয়ে? Exactly, she fries it. So what is the sound we are using? Fra. 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 Yes, and here comes the word fry, and what Shomrik told was free. So we got, very good Shugato, excellent. So here are DR sound words and here we got FR sound words, and each and every sound word has been answered by my champions. Exactly, you are genius, all of you are genius. Very good. Now let us go to Tomojit. Tomojit, are you ready beta? Okay, so sweet. So Tomojit, your word is PR. Pra. Everyone come on, repeat after me. Pra. Pra. Come on Tomojit. Pra. Pra. Very good. So PR sound is pra. Now here we are going to get some new words, and Tomojit, your first question is, we go to temple or we go to church, we go to mosque, we go to Gurudwara, or we go to any other place, maybe Agyari, maybe Dilwara, any place, what do we do after going before the Almighty? আমরা সবাই যে যেখানেই যাই, মন্দিরে যাই, মসজিদে যাই, গুরুদ্বারায় যাই, চার্চে যাই, সবাই কিন্তু ওই অলমাইটি, দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য সুপ্রিম পাওয়ার, ওনার কাছে গিয়ে কি করি? What do we do, Tomojit? Tomojit, what do we do? আচ্ছা চলো Tomojit, yes beta? Pray. Very good, excellent. We pray. আমরা কি করি? প্রার্থনা করি. That is the pray. Very good Orgho, very good Afrin. We pray. So here comes the new word with pra. Pra. That is pray. P-R-A-Y. Pray. Okay. Okay. There is one rectification needed on board by me, and it's R. I know many of you have learned cursive. Still, as I am not writing in fluent cursive because many of my students have still not learned that one, so I have changed the cursive into small letter, that is pray. Okay, pray. Now let us go with the new word, one more, and that new word will be, let us see who is going to do it. Ankita Dash, are you ready beta? Ankita, will you please turn on the microphone? Afreen, please turn on the microphone beta. Yeah. So Afreen, if I ask you a small vehicle in which small babies are being placed and they are being pushed and taken to walk, so what that small vehicle is known as? ছোট্ট গাড়িগুলো যেগুলোতে বাচ্চাদেরকে আমরা ঘুরতে নিয়ে যাই, সেই গাড়িগুলোকে কি বলে? বলো বেটা। ইয়েস, ওকে বেটা, তুমি যেটা বললে সেটা সঠিক নয়, ইটস নট দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার। দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার ইজ প্র্যাম। আচ্ছা, আমরা আজকে শিখে নিলাম কি বলি আমরা ওটাকে, প্র্যাম। প্র্যাম। ওকে, PRAM, pram. Okay? Afreen? Hello? Afreen, is it okay? Okay, so the word is pram. P-R-A-M. Pram. Now let us go to orgomondol. Orgomondol, let us go for the new word. Will you turn on your microphone? Yeah. So, Orgo, your question is, as soon as you come to the class, teacher takes attendance, and what is the response you give when ma'am calls your name? When teacher is taking attendance, yes, excellent. That is present, ma'am. So the word present has the sound pra. Present, pra. Okay. So again we got the new word, that is present, pra. Okay. So now let us go to Orijit again. Orijit, will you please turn on the microphone? Orijit is there? No, Orijit is not there. So let us go to Ayushman. Ayushman, please turn on the microphone. Orijit is okay. Orijit, are you ready? Ayushman, are you ready? Okay, so Ayushman, your question is, when a policeman catches a thief, it is catching on the basis of what? What do the policeman need to send the thief to the jail? He needs something. আমরা যে কাউকে ধরে জেলে ঢুকিয়ে দিতে পারি না, আমাদের পুলিশম্যানদের কিছু লাগে তাদেরকে ধরার জন্য, and what it is called? পুলিশম্যান তো ধরে, কিন্তু তাদেরকে ধরার জন্য একটা কিছু লাগে সবাইকে, তাহলে তো পুলিশম্যান সবাইকে ধরে ধরে জেলে ঢুকিয়ে দেবে, সবাইকে তাহলে থিফ হয়ে যাবে? বলো, হবে না তো? হ্যাঁ, ইয়া হ্যান্ডকাপ তো লাগে, ওটা তো ধরার জন্য লাগে, কিন্তু তার আগে লাগে হচ্ছে প্রুফ। প্রুফ, প্রুফ। No beta, don't be sorry, you just learn the new word, okay? আমিও অনেক কিছু জানি না, জানো তো, আমি তোমার কাছ থেকে সব শিখছি, তোমার ফ্রেন্ডসদের কাছ থেকে সব শিখছি, তাই না? তো আমিও তো জানি না, তাহলে আমিও সরি বলবো? সরি একদম বলতে হয় না, সরি বলতেই হবে না। তুমি যখনই নতুন কিছু আসছে সেটাকে সুন্দর করে শিখে নাও, ঠিক আছে বেটা? ওকে, ইয়েস, ওকে, সো লেটস স্টার্ট। সো ইটস proof. Policeman always needs proof to catch the criminals or the thief. So let us write down proof. P-R-O-O-F. Proof. Okay. So we learned drink, dress, driver, drum, drill with dr sound, that is draw sound. Next we got fr sound, that is fr sound, fruits, friends, fresh, fry, free. Okay, so these are fr sound words. Next comes pr sound words, pray, pram, present, proof. Okay, so these are sound words. So students, this was the last class where we learned some of the sound words which were remaining. Again I am repeating the same. These sounds are some extra sounds which I have taught you, so that in future when you will be in higher classes, you won't have any problem to pronounce these words. Okay, Sometimes what happens, when we are pronouncing the word, we cannot pronounce it because our phonics are not proper. We have not learned our phonics properly. So my intention was to teach you the phonics in a full sound, in full form, in detail. So don't worry, as these sounds are not in your textbook, only the sounds which are in your textbook, I will include only those sounds for term 2. These sounds will not be included in your term 2, but still learn it, practice it, because these sounds are going to help you to speak in English, to read in English, to learn English very nicely and fluently. Okay, so again, within 1 minute, I am joining you with your science class. Okay, bye bye.